Beautiful love. What an exciting few days. On the 15th of August 2023, the Tall Ships race came back to Falmouth after a 9-year break. I went there to check it out. This is the atmosphere on August the 16th.
The diamond is a ship, my girl, for the Davis Strait she's bound, and the key is all varnished with pretty glaze around. Now Captain Thompson gives the call.
Let's go on the Melodzelli. What's your name?
I'm Wojciech Bober.
And what's the story about this boat, this ship?
Sorry?
What's the story behind this ship?
This is a very big story. They swim all around the world.
Yes.
And I don't know, every year she is in different countries.
Where's she from?
From Poland.
From Poland?
In shipyard Gdańsk.
Right. And what sort of ship is she?
Sorry?
What sort of ship is she?
She is sailing regatta.
Yes. How old is she?
She is she was built in 1982.
Right. Thanks a lot. I know you're busy, so I won't keep you. Thanks very much. Anyway. So this ship's from Poland. The Tall Ships Race, otherwise known as Magellan Elcano, is a historical international event steeped in tradition and history. In 2023, after a 9-year break, it came back to Falmouth in Cornwall, UK. This year's event has 11 ships, with ships from Poland, Mexico and other areas of the world. Quautamag, George Stagg, Darmalotzi, Frederick Chopin, Captain Miranda and more. The Global Tall Ships Race is organised by Sail Training International. According to my research, the ships are Class A square rig ships. The first classic Tall Ships Race took place in 1956 and went from Torbay to Lisbon in Portugal. Tall Ships Races are held every year and are organised to give 16 to 25-year-olds life experiences.
And then they go on, I presume it's Friday they all take off.
Yes. Yeah, they do. Oh, there's only one thing on this side, yeah.
Quite short at the end, Lou, so just come up, it's fine. Oh, thank you very much, thank you.
Hello, what's your name?
Bartek.
And what's the story of this boat?
12 years ago, the mast was broken,
Yes.
and the mast, the boat was made in 19 of 82 for it's like that, yes. And the person who project this is Barański, Ziemowit Barański, the Polish captain.
Is it a training boat then?
Yes, yes.
So how did the mast get broken?
I don't remember, I don't know how to say it in English, but I can give you
A leaflet.
on the internet is a lot of information about it.
Oh right, okay.
So
Nice one. So where's the boat come from?
Poland.
The ship, Poland.
Yes, Poland, from Szczecin.
Yeah.
So,
And where's it going from here?
from Cherbourg
Yeah.
to Corona.
Okay. Right.
Someone's doing a bit of painting next door.
So which boat are you on?
We are from Darmozierzy.
And whereabouts is that?
It's from Gdynia, from Poland
Gdynia.
also.
So how long have you been on the boat?
120 cadets.
Yeah, okay. And where's it going to from here?
We are going from Norway here and then A Coruña.
Okay, are you students?
Yes, we are. From
Okay.
Maritime University from Gdynia.
Okay, and how long are you training for?
We are after 1 year of university and then 3 years, and we are hopefully become officers.
On military boats or?
In merchant ships.
Yeah, okay. Shortmark from Mexico.
Don't drop. Did you take a picture of everyone? Mummy's not getting that one. I think I've been on that one. The stage one. I'm sure that's what I've been on. Do it, do the big wheel. Do it. You want to look in that? Oh yeah.
The diamond is a ship, my girl, for the Davis Strait she's bound, and the key it is all garnished with pretty maids around. Now Captain Thompson gives the call to sail the ocean wide, where the sun it never sets, my girl, no darkness dims the sky. And it's cheer up, my lads, let your hearts never fail, for the bonny ship the Diamond goes a-fishing for the whale. Along the quay in Falmouth town the lasses stand around, their shawls all pulled around them and the salt is running down.
Now don't you weep, my pretty maids, though we be left behind, for the rose will bloom on Greenland's ice before they change their mind.
And it's cheer up, my lads, let your hearts never fail, for the bonny ship the Diamond goes a-fishing for the whale. Here's health to the Resolute, shy up, likewise the Eliza Swan. Here's health to the Battler of Montrose and the Diamond ship of fame.
Hey, hey!
They'll wear the trousers of the white and the jackets of the blue. When they return to Falmouth town, we'll all have sweethearts true. And it's cheer up, my lads, let your hearts never fail, for the bonny ship the Diamond goes a-fishing for the whale. It will be bright by day and night when the whaling lads come home, in a ship that's full of all my girls and money to their name. They'll make the cradles all to rock and the blankets all to tear, and every lass in Falmouth town sings hush-a-bye, my dear. And it's cheer up, my lads, let your hearts never fail, for the bonny ship the Diamond goes a-fishing for the whale. And it's cheer up, my lads, let your hearts never fail, for the bonny ship the Diamond goes a-fishing for the whale. Of dynamite wouldn't do us any harm. Oh, a pint of dynamite wouldn't do us any harm. Oh, a pint of dynamite wouldn't do us any harm. And we'll all hang on behind, and we'll roll the old chariots along. We'll roll the old chariots along. We'll roll the old chariots along, and we'll all hang on behind. And a dollar per clock to green wouldn't do us any harm. Oh, a dollar per clock to green wouldn't do us any harm. Oh, a dollar per clock to green wouldn't do us any harm. And we'll all hang on behind, and we'll roll the old chariots along. We'll roll the old chariots along. We'll roll the old chariots along, and we'll all hang on behind. And a proper Cornish pasty wouldn't do us any harm. Oh, a proper Cornish pasty wouldn't do us any harm. Oh, a proper Cornish pasty wouldn't do us any harm. And we'll all hang on behind, and we'll roll the old chariots along. We'll roll the old chariots along. We'll roll the old chariots along, and we'll all hang on behind. And a snog with Betty Stocks wouldn't do us any harm. Oh, a snog with Betty Stocks wouldn't do us any harm. Oh, a snog with Betty Stocks wouldn't do us any harm. And we'll all hang on behind, and we'll roll the old chariots along. We'll roll the old chariots along. We'll roll the old chariots along, and we'll all hang on behind. And a night in Poldark's bed wouldn't do us any harm. Oh, a night in Poldark's bed would When we got to Chapel Street, we stopped at 44. Me mother and me sister were waiting at the door, and away, Santi, my dear Annie. Oh, we Newlyn girls, can we dance the polka? And when we got inside the house, the drinks were passed around. The liquor was so awful strong, his head went round and round. And then we had another drink before we sat to eat. The liquor was so awful strong, he quickly fell asleep. And away, Santi, my dear Annie. Oh, we Newlyn girls, can we dance the polka? When he awoke next morning, he had an aching head, and there he was, Jack, all alone, stark naked in his bed. Woo! His gold watch and his money and his lady friends were gone, and there he was, Jack, all alone, stark naked in the room. And away, Santi, my dear Annie. Oh, we Newlyn girls, can we dance the polka? On looking round that little room, there's nothing he could see but a woman's shift and apron that were no use to he, with a barrel full of suits of clothes down the street forlorn, where Stephen suddenly took him in and he sent him round.
Thanks to the organisers, the crews and everybody involved in the incredible Tall Ships Race, Falmouth 2023. 30 years of culture and the arts as a free service on Love Summertime TV. Don't forget to friendly share my videos, subscribe to my channel and support me through PayPal at ccsPhoto1@gmail.com. Thanks for watching the video.